Information about Buddleja alternifolia. Buddleja alternifolia, also known as alternate-leaved butterfly bush or fountain butterfly bush, is a deciduous shrub that belongs to the family Scrophulariaceae. It is native to Eastern Asia, including China, Japan, and Korea. The shrub can grow up to 6 meters tall and has arching branches with alternate leaves that are dark green on top and pale green underneath. The leaves are lance-shaped and can be up to 15 centimeters long. The flowers are small and purple, and they grow in long, drooping clusters that bloom in the spring and early summer. The flowers are attractive to butterflies and other pollinators. Buddleja alternifolia prefers full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil. It is a hardy plant that can tolerate drought and cold temperatures, making it a popular choice for gardens in temperate regions. It can be propagated by seeds or cuttings. The shrub has been used in traditional medicine in China to treat a variety of ailments, including rheumatism, swelling, and fever. Extracts from the plant have also shown antibacterial and anti-tumor activity in laboratory studies.